Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's New Video Tuesday with Food Pantry Haul, 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 haul. What? Too dramatic.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Okay, nieces and nephews, I went to the food pantry, and I want to show you what I got. Let's get into it. Starting from the left to the right, we got something unusual. Dish soap, muchly needed, as you can see. Yes, much needed. Then we got some pears, which I'm going to show you to take these things and make a really, really cool drink. We got some mixed greens, mixed green beans. I always say mixed greens, I tell you. These are so good. Then we got some black beans. We got bean heaven over here. 2 cans of black beans. And 2 cans of red kidney beans. Now I'm going to use these to make a cold bean salad. Yes, I am. I'm also going to use these to make a cold bean salad. And guess what? We've got 2 cans of refried beans, and yes, I'm going to show you how to make my bean dip. It is delicious, and it's cold, and it's low fat, which I love. All right, we got 2 cans of soup, tomato, and cream of chicken. Then back here hiding, we got some cool medium salsa, which I'm going to enjoy later. 2 packs of macaroni and cheese, but I'm going to take these and make them part of my cool salad. Yes, I am. We've got some raisins. Oh, and I didn't mean to leave it here, but the frozen turkey is right here. Should be in the meat section, but that's okay. This will be part of, I don't know if I want to put it in the salads or the bean dip. I'm going to see what I do with this. We've got some knockoff Rice Krispies. Yeah, look at that. This is so cool. I love the monster on the front. Then we have a cheese Danish. I know, I'm bad. Then we got some wonderful Kaiser rolls. Or mixed rolls, excuse me. I'm going to use these on my sandwich. Then I got a bag of pasta. Oh, this is so going to be part of my cold salad series we're going to do this week. Then we got some milk. I believe this is 2%. Yep. Then we got some raspberries on their last legs. I don't know if I'll be able to use them, or maybe I can use some of them, but we'll see. If not, I'll put them in the garden for compost. Then we've got some oranges, 5 of them. Some cooking oil. Some fish sticks. A whole bag of them. I should show you something cool to do with these fish sticks. We got 5 pounds of chicken. This will come in handy for the 4th of July. I'm going to barbecue these drumsticks, but we're going to marinate them, maybe make them teriyaki style. Now, let's go back to these oranges. I'm going to show you how to make a really cool drink with these oranges. You're going to love it. Now, let's take a look at the blessings we were blessed with today. It was pretty good. And I'm going to tell you why. Those beans are going to be right on time for summer, because this is going to allow me to show you how to make cool dishes with beans instead of it being hot. Canned beans, oh yeah, we're going to do this. We're going to do this. Now, I've got another video new coming this Thursday, and we're going to have some really cool stuff then. But in the meantime, I'm going to try to filter in a few more videos, okay? I want you to like, I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. Okay? Ooh, my nose. I also want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Remember, forget the stigma about the food pantries. Stigma my you know what. It's tough times right now. Let's come and pull together and do what we know is right. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris, and I am so excited about the videos to come. Remember, every Tuesday and Thursday, new videos. Okay? All right. Big love.